Hi lovelies. So I've finally done a voiceover for my Wednesday set. So we're going to be mainly using obviously black and white. I'm using the Perfect White, Perfect Black from Madam Glam. And the first one I am going to be using an ombre brush because we are doing an ombre illusion-y nail. So we're ombreing the first coat. I mean, if you get it how you want it on the first go, then don't do another coat, but I did not. So that was my first go. And my second one, honestly, I do recommend an ombre brush. I do like it. So when you get it how you want it, cure. And then we are going to go in the other way and ombre that, but don't cure. Do not cure. So we're going to ombre away. Ombre, ombre, ombre. It's not quite as perfect as I would have wanted it, but it still did have the same sort of effect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this brush with some alcohol on it and wipe away certain bits of the ombre, because that's what makes the illusion nail, because you're revealing the underneath while still having some of the top. Now I do faff for a while, so yeah, that's basically how you do that nail. When you get it how you want it, cure it. Get it in that lamp. I still haven't finished watching Wednesday. I don't know if I like it as much as the first season. Let me know what you guys think to it. Maybe you're not as enamoured with it as you were the first season. I think I've still got like 2 episodes to go. But I do really like her. Anyway, this one, this is trying to get the palest skin tone that I've got. Because we're going to do a Wednesday French. So how I do my French is I draw a line across the nail. I don't do Frenches very often, but yeah, then I draw a line up from each side. It's not super curved the way I do it, but like I say, I'm not a French girl. It's not a design for me. So yeah, we're filling the bottom bit in. This is a really easy Wednesday nail, I would have to say. And then we're just going to go in with her collar. So super easy, 2 diagonal lines and then collar, obviously. You know what a collar looks like. Fill that in. We're not going right up to the edge, by the way. Just because of how I wanted it to look. So once we filled that in, we're going to dot the little buttons down the middle, and then basically, yeah, that's it. I could have done it further up maybe, because it sort of looks, I don't know. No, I like it. Let me know if you like it in the comments. But yeah, we're going to shiny top coat that one. And then next one, we are going to do, I can't remember. I think we might be doing some chrome stamping, possibly. So I'm starting off with black. And then I think we're going to use my little spongy device. Yeah, it's cute, a little grabber. It's not amazingly sturdy. Using the white, we're just going to go in. We're just going to sort of like an aura-y base. Yeah, not much to say really until I've finished that bit. We're going to go in with a matte top coat now. Because we're going to use Born Pretty's Magician stamping thingamajig. So this lets you stamp with like a no wipe top coat. Well, they're no wipe top coats, so that you can then chrome a stamping pattern. So you just pop it on. Sorry, I'm not in shot, but it's just the same stamping as you do normally. So I don't know if you can see it on there. And voila, we have stamped the little spider web. Now, like I say, this would have worked better if I'd done dark onto a light background, light onto a dark background. However, I decided to do silver chrome on top of a white ombre background. What an absolute knob. But I hope you can see the pattern there. It did work. It did work absolutely fine. But yeah, it would be so much better if you did it light onto dark or dark onto light, you know, so you could actually see the design. But yeah, you can see it a bit more when I top coat it. Hopefully you can. You can see the spider web, yeah? See it? See it? See it? Oh, what an absolute knob. Sorry. So this next one, we're starting off with a white base, and then we're going to do some like slime drips, but black. So just taking this 3D gel from Temu. Now, so mid-chrome stamping video, I had like 2 weeks in between this voiceover, so I can't remember what I actually said to you previous. So I still haven't finished Wednesday. I don't know. I don't like it as much, perhaps. I don't know. Because I liked the first season because it wasn't like too scary for me. I don't like horror, but like it was all right. But I don't like the zombie in this series. It's too much zombie for me. I don't do zombies. Like, it's too, oh no. I hope you can see what I'm doing when I'm chatting to you. I'm sure you're fine. I'm literally just sculpting away. But yeah, no, not good with zombies. Like, Walking Dead is not for me. Anything with zombies in is just no good, apart from Hocus Pocus. Literally, Hocus Pocus is my limit. Let me know if you like zombies, what you think to the new Wednesday series. But yeah, I don't know. I will finish it, but I don't think it's as good as the first series, maybe. Maybe it gets better. I don't know. I think I'm about 3/4 of the way through. Did what's-his-face just escape from the insane asylum? So that might be interesting. So yeah, I don't know. We're just top coating the slime now, and voila, there is your slime nail. So this last, the thumbnail, this I saved the best for last. Well, for me it was, anyway. So we're going to do a French with stripes. Now, I didn't do the French like I would usually do the French. You obviously can't do French like this on your customers because, you know, you can't turn the hand around. So we're going to do stripes coming down from that smile line. And then we're going to do a rotating, spinning bow charm. Oh, it was lovely. Oh, I saw it. I saw somebody use it on, like, they'd made like this big Ferris wheel on the nail, and I was like, wow, I want to give this a try. So the first time I've got to try it really was with this, and I thought, ooh, ooh, I could just make it like simple, but like, wow. So yeah, I'm just doing the stripes, and then I just got these from Temu, you may have guessed, and I think those were from Shein, possibly, or they possibly may be from Amazon. So initially I am using this 3D gel to stick on the rotating charm, but you could use rhinestone glue, although I think it would be better to stick with this for sticking the rotating thing on, because you can get it where you want it and it sort of sticks. Can see we rotating here, voila. And then I kind of I tried with this 3D gel because I thought, oh, it'll blend in because the bow's black, blah 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 blah. No, it didn't really stick, but obviously it's not gonna, is it? Because the light's not gonna get through to it. Your best bet here, I think, is I think I used nail glue in the end, or yeah, I think I used nail glue. But look, spin, 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 spin. Well, let me know your favourite nail. I hope you enjoyed this set. Please let me know whether I should continue with the Wednesday series 2 or not. But yeah, here is the whole hand. I don't think I'm going to get around to doing Enid now, I'm afraid. Sorry. But thank you very much for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye.